I thought I'd show you how to paint reflections in watercolour. Now pause the video when you want to see the colours I'm using, and I'm starting off by wetting the whole water, really glossy amount of water, and I want to use the colours that I used in the land, as above so below, and I'm following the contours. It has to be a mirror image, so if the diagonal is going from right to left, it also has to be the opposite, so left to right. Then lifting out while it's still damp any areas that I want to lift out, like the masts and a few horizontal lines in the water to show a little bit of movement. When that's dry, I'm wetting a large area, a much larger area than I want for these trees, because I want the spread to go a little bit further. If I only wet the area that I need reflected, it will give me a very hard edge, and I don't want a hard edge. I want it soft and reflective. So there's a little bit of movement. I'm using a short flat brush there with a little bit of dampness to lift out some horizontal lines through the reflection, which also gives the water a bit of a glassy look and makes it look like there's a slight bit of movement within that water. Darkening the land helps set it above the waterline, and then I'm just adding a few of the sort of floaty seaweedy things in the foreground. Some of them I'm adding a lifted out area around the side where it's dark. Others I'm darkening the base of them where the water is light. It's really effective to do this way. And then just a bit of white gouache for the boats and the masts, a little bit in the water and around some areas to form ripples, and then basically I'm just filling the boats in now. The reflection is slightly darker of the boats, but there's the finished piece. Why not give it a go? I'd love to see how you get on.